Hello, alright, I'm going to do a quick video on how to do a brake pedal switch on a Vauxhall Vivaro 2012. Both rear lights aren't working. Well, there's three rear lights and all three aren't working. Check bulbs, so we're going to go for the switch. So there's a new one. All you've got to do is, you think they'll be on the driver's side, but on this one they're on the passenger side. So all you've got to do is go to the passenger side, go underneath the fuse boxes, right underneath the fuse boxes. See this panel here, this black one. Take this panel out, it's two 10mm. I'll just do that and then I'll show you again. Oh, one 10mm, tell a lie. And there you go, there's the brake pedal switch there. So all you do then is just turn it anti-clockwise and pull it out, and then unplug it there. Out pops. And just do the same thing, put it back in reverse. Job's a good one. Okay.